Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable and add preferred search sources for your searches on Google Search in 2026. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so navigate to Google Search. And let's assume, for instance, you would like to include in your searches for specific search term on Google Search also, or preferably sources you like using, I don't know, for example, of your university or specific medium or newspaper and so on and so forth, or magazine. You can do this, or a website. You can do this here on Google Search through your search settings. So navigate to Google Search, click into settings in the bottom right, navigate to search settings here. Next, navigate to privacy and safety on the left hand side and enable the search personalization by clicking into it. Here, make sure that it is enabled, and below you may navigate to the source preferences under your search data. Click into it. And here, guys, you can enter the name or the website, for example, the URL address of the website you would like to have included in your searches as a preferred source, so that these may show up in your search result if they match, for example, the given search or the given topic. So you can enter it here. I don't know. I don't have any example right now, but enter the website URL here, and that's it. You will see then your sources listed below, and you can also remove them later from that list if you like. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.